guys, in this video we'll be discussing about property linearity property of Laplace transform. Okay, fine. So it states that Laplace transform of, suppose one function is f1 plus or minus one more function is f2. Okay, Laplace transform of sum of two functions or the difference between two functions is given. So it is given as Laplace transform of one function plus or minus. If it's plus, you have to write plus. If it is minus, you have to write minus. Laplace transform of a second function. Okay, so this is nothing but the linearity property of a Laplace transform. Okay, so we'll be doing some problems based on this so you can understand. So one more point you have to remember is that if Laplace transform of some c constant and one function is given, okay, some function is given, f some function. Okay, now here you have to understand that Laplace transform of constant into some function will be constant outside you have to take and Laplace transform of that function. Always remember, when constant is in product with some function, okay, we don't write, sometimes what happens, students write it as a by s, because Laplace transform of a function or constant is a by s. So you have to not write a by s, you have to take that constant outside and find the Laplace transform of this function. Because the constant is in product, it is multiplied with this function. Okay, try to analyze this. If it is in sum or product, sum or difference, you can find the Laplace transform of constant, which is nothing but a by s. If it is product, what you have to do? You have to take constant outside. Okay, we'll be doing questions, then we'll analyze how to do proceed further. Okay, so remember that Laplace transform of function, suppose sum of 2-3 functions are there, then you have to find each function. That means Laplace transform of each function. Laplace of first one plus second one. If it is third one is there, then again third one. Like that you have to find. Okay, so we'll take up one question based on this. So one question I have taken. So observe here, Laplace transform of, you have to find this function, whole function. Now observe here, one is a plus some function minus some function. So this is basically, you have to identify this property, that this is a linearity property. So you have to find each term's Laplace transform. Okay, so it starts from what? Laplace transform one is there plus something. So this is one function we can take. So this is Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of the second function, that is 5 e power 40 minus Laplace transform of third function, that is 6 sine 2t. Okay, this is the first step you have to do. Now Laplace transform of 1 is what we know, that is a by s. That's nothing but a is what? 1, so it is 1 by s. Okay, plus Laplace transform of 5 e power 40. Now observe here, I have said that constant is there, but it is in product with some function, that is e power 40. Whenever constant is in product with some function, it is multiplied with some function, you have to take this constant outside, that will be 5. But here it is not possible because it is not multiplied with some function, it is individual constant is given, so you have to write the Laplace transform of that function. So here it is in product, so you have to take 5 outside, then Laplace transform of e power 40 minus Laplace transform again this same thing. 6 is there, 6 is constant, you have to take outside, since it is in product or it is multiplied with some function, so you have to take 6 outside. Laplace transform of sine 2t. Okay, this is the basic thing. Now 1 by s plus 5 into Laplace transform of e power 40, that means e power 80. What is the Laplace transform of e power 80? That is nothing but 1 by s minus a, that is 1 by s minus a. S minus, what is a here? A is 4, s minus 4 minus 6 into sine 2t. That means sine 80. Laplace transform of sine 80 is nothing but a by right. So it's basically a by a is what here 2 by s square plus a square. What is a here? That is 2. So a square, that is 2 square. Okay, now simplify this 1 by s. This I can write 5 by s minus 4 minus 6 into 2, that is 12 by s square plus 4. So this is the final answer. So this is a simple question I have taken here. So try to analyze this thing. Okay, I would use the standard formulas for this all these things. Okay, so this is a